So welcome to another video. I'm in the Llyn Peninsula, a little bit of a triangular bit sticking off Wales into the sea. February, winter wild camp, got an Akto, Hilleberg Akto. I've been lent by a buddy, going to try that out. Got the poutine with me. My mum's got my kids, they're staying in a holiday cottage back there. Got it super cheap Airbnb. And here we go. And check this place out. This is run down chapel, which has got a stream running through it apparently. Let's go check that out. How do you have a stream running through a chapel? Okay, there's your stream. Oh, and indeed it seems to run underneath it at least. Whoa, what on earth? What is the point in that? Did that run underneath it when it was functioning? That's weird. Or did they do baptisms in there or something? Whoa, that's bizarre. A pond in a house. Right, well, no time to dally and dawdle. I have to get up into these hills. I've got about a 9k walk ahead of me. I really don't know where I'm going, never been to the location. Bwlch Mawr or something, I can't pronounce it. Bwlch Mawr is the hill, but we'll see what happens. See if I make it, might not. So, as you can see, it's already clagged out. I can only be 200 meters above sea level here at the most, and very claggy. There's the trig point of the first little mound. I just had to go through a little farm stead there, and there was 5 collies came out and were going absolutely mental. But as they got closer I noticed they were wagging their tails, so I thought they're going to be alright, and they were. They just made a lot of noise, and the lady was very kind and said I can access the hill that I want to get up onto through these fields. So she didn't exactly tell me how, and there isn't an exact path, but then this track, it's not on the map, so it'll be a bit of map reading and guesswork, because I won't be able to see so well in this mist. Oh, stay there, stay. Go on in. Somebody's got energy, and it's not me. Yeah, this is definitely a low point, sheep poo-wee water, but it's the last bit of water I can see for a while on the map, so I'm going to load up with that gunk. Not how I pictured it when I looked at it on the map. I saw a blue sparkling oasis with sirens draped across rocks, cooing gently to me and beckoning me forth. But the reality is that. Okay, it's 4:30, but for some reason I'm still going for the summit, which is a bit daft, you might argue, but you're not here so you can't argue. Oh shit. Yeah, look, hold. There's a stream under here somewhere. God, it sounds far down. My God, we better be careful. Yeah, some nice running water in there somewhere. Oh, I can even see it there. Right, yeah, there's some holes here. Gonna be careful. Right, better put you away and watch my feet. Oh, then good girl, come on. Stone wall number 48. So I feel absolutely knackered. I'm at about 500 meters now, but it's just been a slog. Hours and hours of slogging. Now look what I've bloody done to myself. I've got a flipping scramble now. Ah, oh, Jesus. Bloody daft, or what? And guess what? After that, it was a false summit. The real summit's up there, so I took a shortcut through a scree field to get to nowhere. All right, now we got it. There's the trig point. Let's see what it's like over the other side. Here we go. Whew. Ugh. Look at that wind. Jeez. Right, let's go for it. Let's get out of dodge. Tent is up. First time putting up Akto in anger, and you're probably going to tell me I've done a terrible job. It's pretty stony under there, so I've put some extra stones on the pegs. It looks alright, doesn't it? Vaguely. It's not the most level pitch. Sort of perched on a little mound there. Right, got to get the dog in. It's getting a bit unfair on the poor pooch. Look at the state. Right, let's get in the tent. Right, you're a good girl. Put your own nose into that there, stand. Okay, we're all in, and it's about time to start thinking about tea. Got everything organised. Oh, jeez. Got my stuff in. Thermarest on the go. Got my Rab 900 Ascent happening. Got the dog in her sleeping bag. But this is a nightmare. My head is jammed into the top, so I can't really do anything without crouching in a really uncomfortable position. Oh, it's better. I'm doing the Paul Messner. That's what this manoeuvre's called in the YouTube community. Cooking and doing everything from your elbow, sideways on, because I can't sit up. I've given up trying to sit up. What have you got on tonight's menu, James? Chicken curry, Adventure Foods. Everything's doubly as hard right now. Got neck ache from being in this position already. Occasionally I could go take a break, back into the effort. How do you guys not have tents you sit up in? How is that possible? How do you live? What do you do? It's not realistic. Now it's time to get out the pocket rocket. Ooh, misses. Don't get your pocket rocket out. Sorry, that was a very immature joke. But I mean, pocket rocket, come on, what were they thinking? What's the first thing everyone thinks of when you say pocket rocket? Cooking stove. First thing that came into my mind. Don't know what you're thinking about. Oh, come on, be warm enough and be hydrated, please. I beg of thee. Yeah, I've not been able to set up, just there's a different level of... yeah, can't be doing with it. Never getting a Akto. Never doing it. Yeah, Adventure Foods is basically smashed potato thing, you know.
with bits of dehydrated meat in, or it's super rice. It's exactly the same, honestly, it tastes just the same.
Alright, I'm officially horizontal and the condensation is getting through because my head keeps rubbing on the out. Pushing the inner into the outer, causing the inner to pick up moisture from the outer, which is obviously covered in condensation. Yuck. Oh well, I'll be alright. Just going to cope with it. Right, anyway. Buenas noches. I will obviously be switching the GoPro on if I'm attacked by a jaguar or something in the night, but if that doesn't happen, then see you in the Morgan. Good morning, Guten Morgen campers. It's about 7:45. I've been horizontal for about 11.5 hours. Nice. Look at this condensation. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. That is the worst I've ever had it in any camp I've ever done. It's incredible. I did forget to open the vents at the end, but I just think it's the environment I'm in. Look at it. It's pure mist, rain cloud. Finally, the pooch has woken up. Look at that. Say good morning, Poochine. Say hello. That's it. Do upside down head. For the viewers, that's her favourite trick. Morning, Pooch. Morning. That's it. She's amazing, isn't she? 12 hours or something she's been lying there. One lazy mutt. Ready. This is an army special. This is, look at this, chicken sausage and beans. It's not chicken, sausage and beans, it's chicken sausages. So that is some really serious reconstituted gunk. And let's see what the beans taste like. Ready? Oh my god, they're hard. That's pretty grim. And ready for a reconstituted sausage. Let's see James's quick capsule review. Disgusting. Yeah, it's emerge time. Emerge time. Yuck! Disgusting! Half to see the wizard and maybe to meet God. It's a very nice weather we have it today. Come on, Cherry, come on. Come on, Cherries. Come on, it's alright, come on! Come on, good girl, come on, Cherry, come on! Good girl. Woo! I'm actually getting face pain! Face pain! Yay! Oh no, it was almost, God, Cherry. Oh, poor thing. You're alright, you're alright. Oh dear. Go on, try it again. One last go, Cherry. We believe in you. We have faith. Come on, go on. You can do it. You can do it. Go on, go on then. Good girl, come on. That's it. You have to. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm such a cruel dad. Oh, God, that was funny. Wow, look at that old ruin. And we're off the hill. It looked like a very beautiful hill, what I could see. And onto the road. Oh, that looks risky. Right, putting you away so I don't break my neck. This is one wet part of the world. Look at this. Everything here is destroyed by water all the time. Got a rust on that. Wow. Incredible spot though. Wild, look at it. Wow, it's like the west of Ireland. That was fun. Bit of a crazy one in the end. That was quite a challenge. I did not expect that when I stepped out the back of the holiday let. Very cool not to drive, that was awesome. And lots of sleep was had. Feel refreshed, in much better mood than when I started yesterday, which is what it always does for me. So, enjoyed it, feel so much better. Gonna go now. Already missing you lot, you're very cool, you're very attentive, and I appreciate it. And we're gonna head back home now. Only about 20 minutes walk. Follow the road. Hey, and if you fancy doing something like this yourself, if you fancy a wild camping hiking adventure, check out the link in the description. The Great Outsiders, that's us. We do wild camping adventures all over the UK, guided hikes, all the rest of it. Come along, join in. Don't be afraid. Okay, adios amigos. Hello guys. How you doing?